Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to this tutorial. It's Eglow here once again, right? So I just want to show you how to change your background color with just one click. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change your background color with just one click in Photoshop. If you are here to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and do so. Alright, so we'll be using this image, so we'll be moving the image to Photoshop now. Yeah, so just work with me. I don't want to waste much time on this, right? So this is the image. I got this image from Pinterest purposely for this tutorial, right? So the first thing we're going to do is to select the subject. Select the subject. That's like the most difficult part, because once the selection is perfect, trust me, we are good to go. So just go through the selection and make sure that the selection is done properly, right? Yeah, just zoom in a little bit. Yeah, still zoom in. Forget about the blurriness of the image, right? So our focus is how to change the background, and that's what we are more concerned about, right? So just make sure that the background is proper, that the subject is properly selected. All right, so just like I said, I'm going to show you how to change your background color in Photoshop with just one click, and that click is this. After selecting the background, come to adjustment layer, click on adjustment layer, click on solid color, click on solid color. After clicking on solid color, you can choose your favorite color, right? So let's go with white first, right? Now just after clicking on white first, so come to this masking layer here, this masking option here, click on this masking option. So from your keyboard, command I, if you're using MacBook, if you're using Windows, let it be shift control I, command I, you can see, right? So the color has been inverted now to the background. So come to blend mode option and click on multiply, right? So we are on multiply now. Then you can actually check through the blend mode option that actually goes well with it, right? You can see this, you can see, right? You can see color, you can see, right? So but the one we are going for is multiply. Now if you look at it now, you see that the multiply doesn't really like do what we want, right? Don't worry, I'm going to show you, which is the last part. So come back to this layer here and click on this color palette. Now start changing the colors. You can see now, pay attention to the shadows and everything. You can see how intact everything is. You can even choose the color of the clothes, right? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Of the skin, you can see. You can see different colors. Black will be too much. You can see. You can see gray. You can see different colors. You can see. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Amazing, right, guys? This is amazing. This is how to easily color grade your image with just one click in Photoshop. So guys, just like I said, I don't want to waste much of your time. So learn something in this video, please do me the honor of giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you're here to do so, share this video so that others can also benefit from it, so that it can reach the wider audience, right? And also turn on the notification button so that I can be the first person to be notified anytime I post valuable content like this. Guys, let me know what you want me to talk about in my next video, and stay tuned to this channel while we keep dishing out quality and valuable content for your consumption. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.